how to create shared Google Drive folder. If you want to create a shared Drive folder on Drive, then follow these steps. Firstly, on your device, open the Drive app. In the app, you will see an interface just like this. At the very bottom, you will see different sections such as Home, Start, Shared, and Files. In the Files section, you will see all the files that you have created on your device. However, in this Shared section, you will see all the files that has been shared with you. So if someone shares a file with you, then it will sit in the Shared section. If you want to create a new folder, tap on the plus icon. After that, select the option Create Folder. Now name the folder whatever you would like to name. After the naming has been done, click on Create option. Now this will create your desired folder. However, it will not appear in the Shared section. If you navigate to the File section, you will see the folder that you just created here. Now you will need to share this to your friends. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and select the option Share. Now type in their email and share this folder with them. After you do that, then this very folder will appear in their Shared section. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.